Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Sunnam Book Teaching. Today I'm again here with the topic of addition and subtraction with two-digit numbers. Okay? Yesterday and day before yesterday we have done the topic of addition and subtraction with one-digit number. But today we will solve the both operations with two-digit numbers. Okay? I'm going to write here a number. The number is 27. Okay. What's the place value of 7? Ones. This is the rightmost digit. Okay. And after the rightmost digit, the second number's place value is tens. Okay. Now, first operation is addition. Okay. This symbol is called addition symbol and it is also called plus. Okay. The second number is 31. Okay, look at the board. Look at the board. The upper number is smaller and the lower number is bigger. This can be possible only in addition. Means we can write the smaller number on upper side and greater number on lower side. We can, but it doesn't possible in subtraction. Okay. Now, what is the smaller number in one's place? What is the smaller number in one's place? Okay. Now, open the finger of smaller number. What is the smaller number? 1. Open the finger of smaller number. 1. And start counting after the bigger number. The bigger number on one's place is 7. After 7, 8. Okay. The answer is 8. Okay. Now, come to the next place. The next place is tens place. Okay. The next place is tens place. Look at the smaller number here. Smaller number is 2. Open the fingers of 2. Okay. And start counting after 3, 4, 5. The answer is 5. Very good. We have done the operation of addition with two-digit numbers. Okay. Now, I'm going to raise a number here, a question here again. Now, for another operation, that is subtraction. I'm writing here a number 35. What is the place value of 5? Ones. What is the place value of 3? That is tens. Okay. What we are going to do? We are going to subtract another number. Okay. What is the symbol? This is the symbol of subtraction. I'm going to write here another number and that is 13. That is 13. Okay. Look at the board ones. The upper number is greater, 35, and the lower number is smaller, 13. Now, it's possible in subtraction, okay? Now, we can subtract the smaller number from greater number, okay? Now, make a fist, okay? And start counting after the smaller number, okay? What is the smaller number in one's place? 3. Start counting after smaller number until greater number. After 3, 4, 5. Now stop. What is the answer? 1, 2. 1, 2. The answer is 2. Very good. Now come to the tens place. Same here. Make a fist. What is the smaller number here? 1. Okay. What is the smaller number here? 1. Now start counting after 1 till greater number. 1, 2, 3. What is the answer? 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. Now answer is 22. Yes, very good. We have done the both operations addition and subtraction. And this process is same like we have done in addition and subtraction with one-digit number. This will help you in two-digit number and as well in three-digit number. Okay. Inshallah, tomorrow I will come with a new video. Till then, you will subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And till then, goodbye.